Typical settlements for Denver electric scooter injuries. Denver's urban landscape has been significantly influenced by the introduction of electric scooters, offering a sustainable and efficient solution for short-distance travel. Navigating the aftermath of an electric scooter accident entails not only physical and emotional recovery but also understanding the legal complexities of seeking compensation. Understanding electric scooter injuries. As electric scooters weave into the fabric of Denver's transportation network, the spectrum of potential injuries has broadened. From minor abrasions to severe head traumas, victims of electric scooter accidents can experience a range of physical and emotional harm. Beyond the immediate physical pain, these injuries can result in substantial medical expenses, lost wages, and, in some cases, long-term rehabilitation. Electric scooter injuries often encompass cuts, bruises, fractures, sprains, and concussions. Severe accidents might lead to spinal injuries or traumatic brain injuries, altering a person's life trajectory in profound ways. Injured parties must not only contend with the immediate medical treatments but also consider the potential long-term effects of their injuries, including diminished quality of life and ongoing medical costs. Determining liability. In the intricate web of urban mobility, determining liability in electric scooter accidents is a pivotal aspect of securing settlements. Liability may extend to various parties involved, including the scooter rider, motorists, local municipalities, or even the scooter rental companies. Liability is often contingent on the concept of negligence, whether a party failed to exercise reasonable care, thereby contributing to the accident. Establishing liability requires a thorough investigation of the accident scene, witness accounts, and potentially even expert opinions. Types of compensation. Medical expenses. This covers immediate medical treatments, surgeries, hospital stays, medication, and ongoing therapies needed for recovery. Lost wages. Electric scooter accidents can result in significant downtime for recovery, leading to lost income. Pain and suffering. Beyond the tangible costs, victims are often entitled to compensation for the physical pain and emotional suffering endured due to the accident. Property damage. If personal property was damaged during the accident, such as smartphones or clothing, victims can seek compensation for these losses. Rehabilitation costs. Severe injuries might necessitate long-term rehabilitation, which can incur substantial expenses. Emotional distress. The emotional trauma following an accident can be overwhelming. Calculating an appropriate compensation amount demands a comprehensive assessment of the physical, financial, and emotional repercussions of the accident. By evaluating the full scope of damages, victims can better articulate their compensation needs during negotiations. Factors affecting settlements. Extent of injuries. The severity of injuries directly correlates with the compensation amount. Degree of liability. Determining who was at fault and to what degree plays a pivotal role. Insurance coverage. The insurance policies of all parties involved can impact the available funds for compensation. Negotiation skills. Effective negotiation is crucial for securing a favorable settlement. Legal representation. Seeking legal counsel is highly advisable, as experienced attorneys can navigate the complexities of the legal system, ensuring victims receive a fair settlement offer. Typical settlement amounts. The financial aftermath of an electric scooter accident can be overwhelming, compounded by medical expenses, lost wages, and the emotional toll of the incident. The determination of a typical settlement amount is a complex endeavor due to the variability of accident circumstances, the unique nature of injuries, and the negotiation strategies employed. Negotiating a settlement. Negotiating a settlement for an electric scooter injury is a nuanced process that requires patience, strategy, and an understanding of the intricacies involved. Gather evidence. Collect all relevant evidence, including medical records, accident reports, witness statements, and any documentation of expenses incurred due to the accident. Calculate damages. Calculate the total damages suffered, including medical bills, lost wages, and intangible costs like pain and suffering. Consult an attorney. Seeking legal counsel is advisable to ensure you're adequately prepared for negotiations. Initiate negotiations. Your attorney will typically initiate negotiations with the insurance company. Consider offers carefully. If the insurance company makes an offer, review it carefully with your attorney. Counteroffers and mediation. Negotiations often involve counteroffers and discussions. Know when to settle. It's essential to strike a balance between pursuing the compensation you deserve and avoiding protracted legal battles. Seeking legal representation. Given the intricacies of electric scooter injury cases, Seeking legal representation is a prudent step for victims seeking fair compensation. In electric scooter injury cases, legal representation can make a substantial difference in the outcome. Victims are encouraged to consult with an attorney to explore their legal options and maximize their chances of securing just compensation.